Hey everybody and welcome back. Today we would like to take a couple of minutes for a quick short video, and the first thing we want to do is congratulate ASAPers Sahil Khurmi and Twinkle Chawla, both of whom have cleared the Delhi Judicial Services Exam of 2018. And both of these utilized our online courses, in particular the online course on interview guidance. So we're very happy. Many congratulations. We hope you reach High Court. We hope you reach Supreme Court. We're so happy that we played any part in your journey. We would also like to thank all of you, our audience, for your support and patience. We are really sorry that we haven't been able to get a video out, but we're coming back with more content. Please give us some time. We're not a very big team, and there are a lot of exams which are happening, which are scheduled to happen. There's Rajasthan means there's a whole slew of exams, and we are working our best to get the books back in stock for all of these exams, which is why it is taking a little bit long. We're really sorry for that, and the first thank you again for your support and for your patience. We are grateful to have you as our audience.